Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best edema supplement is probably one of the most overlooked solutions for those dealing with uncomfortable swelling. Today, we're diving deep into the world of edema supplements, exploring what they are, how they work, and, most importantly, which ones might be right for you. We'll cover everything from the science behind fluid retention to the key ingredients you should look for, helping you make an informed decision to alleviate those bothersome symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Number 5. Herbal diuretic supplements for bloating relief. Are you feeling weighed down by excess water weight and bloating? This supplement is formulated to help. It promotes a lighter, more comfortable feeling for both men and women. This dandelion root supplement gently flushes excess fluids. It also supports kidney function, urinary tract health, and circulation. This helps reduce leg, foot, and ankle swelling. The supplement contains dandelion leaf extract, green tea, and other natural ingredients. They work together to regulate fluid balance and promote detox. Take 1 to 2 capsules daily with food and water. Consult your doctor before use if you are pregnant, nursing, or have any health conditions. It is not intended for long-term use. These water pills are made with non-GMO, high-quality botanical ingredients. They are carefully crafted to provide purity, potency, and safety. This provides effective, gentle relief for water retention. What we like. This product uses a powerful herbal blend, including dandelion leaf extract and green tea, to gently flush excess fluids. It also supports kidney, urinary, and circulatory health. If you are looking for a natural and gentle solution to water retention and bloating, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Within a day, the swelling had started to reduce. Water away works fast to reduce fluid retention. The day after taking 2 pills, my feet were down to normal size. Number 4. Jacked Factory Dry XT, Natural Diuretic Water Pills. Are you looking to reduce water retention and bloating? This supplement is designed to help. It features research-backed ingredients to help you look leaner and more defined. This product helps dry out your body and cleanse it safely. It contains dandelion root extract and other powerful ingredients to expel excess water, helping you achieve peak physique conditioning. This revolutionary formula is a cut above the rest. It includes horsetail herb powder, green tea leaf extract, and more. It's designed to reduce bloating effectively. Unlike many supplements, this product is manufactured under strict quality control. It ensures proper purity and potency, so you can trust its quality. This is designed to support your fitness goals without harsh stimulants. Its natural ingredients work gently yet effectively, making it suitable for those seeking a stimulant-free solution. What we like. Dry XT features research-backed ingredients to reduce fluid retention and detoxify your body, helping you achieve peak physique conditioning. It also helps to enhance muscle definition. If you are looking to reduce water retention without harsh stimulants and want to enhance your muscle definition, you should consider this product. What people say. My fingers are actually smaller now, so I can wear a size 7 on my middle finger instead of my ring finger. I've always worn a size 7 on my ring finger, and now that size is too big. My feet no longer look or feel bloated, nor my hands and face. I definitely sweat more during my cardio when taking this pill in the morning, even if my workout is at night. My water retention and bloating reduced significantly. Number 3. Water Away Herbal Diuretic Pills. Are you feeling weighed down by excess water weight and bloating? This supplement is formulated to help. It promotes a lighter, more comfortable feeling for both men and women. This product supports kidney function, urinary tract health, and circulation. It can help reduce leg, foot, and ankle swelling. It gently flushes excess fluids from your body. The supplement contains dandelion leaf extract, green tea, cranberry extract, vitamin B6, and potassium. These natural ingredients work together to regulate fluid balance and promote detox. Take 1 to 2 capsules daily with food and water. Consult your doctor before use if you are pregnant, nursing, have kidney issues, heart conditions, or are taking other medications. It is not intended for long-term use. Made with non-GMO, high-quality botanical ingredients, this product provides effective, gentle relief for water retention. It's carefully crafted to provide purity, potency, and safety. What we like. This product supports kidney, urinary, and circulatory health with a powerful herbal blend, including dandelion leaf extract, green tea, and vitamin B6. It is also made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. If you are looking for a product made with high-quality ingredients and manufactured in the USA, this is a great option. What people say. Seems to be doing the trick with the swelling and water retention. Worked pretty quickly, within 2 days. Helped me a lot with my retention. Number 2. BioSense Water Away Pills for Water Retention. Are you tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable? This product offers a gentle yet effective solution for both men and women. It helps to relieve water retention and bloating. Forget about harsh chemicals and caffeine. This formula uses botanical ingredients to naturally support your body. It's designed to help you feel your best. These pills offer a natural way to cleanse your system. They support kidney and urinary tract health. This product is a great choice for both men and women. Reduce excess water throughout your body with this product. You'll experience more energy and less bloating. It helps you feel lighter and more comfortable. This product combines a dozen ingredients into one capsule. It's a convenient and effective solution for water retention. You can feel good about what you're taking. This product is formulated in GMP facilities with cruelty-free, non-GMO botanical ingredients. You can trust in the high-quality and worry-free supplements. What we like. This product offers a maximum strength formula with a body cleanse effect, thanks to natural diuretics. It is also made with premium American quality. If you are looking for a powerful formula to flush your system and reduce bloating, this product is worth considering. What people say. It's helped reduce bloating and water retention, and I've noticed a significant difference in how I feel overall. It's gentle on my system and doesn't cause any discomfort. The combination of vitamin B6, potassium, and dandelion root extract works remarkably well to help my body maintain a healthy fluid balance without causing discomfort. Number 1. Nature-bound water away, fast bloating relief. Are you tired of feeling bloated and uncomfortable? This supplement is designed to provide quick relief from bloating and excess water weight. It's a fast-acting solution to help you feel your best. Looking for a natural way to support weight loss? These water pills contain ingredients like dandelion root extract and green tea. They offer an easy solution to help you achieve your goals. This supplement offers a simple way to get rid of excess water weight. It helps you feel lighter and more comfortable. It's a convenient solution for relieving bloating. Each capsule is packed with pure, natural ingredients. Vitamin B6 and green tea are included to boost your metabolism and energy levels. It's a healthy choice for your body. This product uses a natural formula with no GMO ingredients or harsh chemicals. It's made with ingredients like dandelion and green tea extract. You can get rid of excess water weight in a truly healthy way. Start living a healthier lifestyle and lose weight naturally. Nature-bound products are formulated in GMP-certified labs within the United States. You can trust its quality. What we like. This supplement is designed to provide fast-acting relief from bloating and excess water weight. It also contains ingredients to boost your energy levels. If you want a quick and easy solution to relieve bloating and boost your energy, then you should consider it. What people say. For days of use and I notice a decent results. The edema in my feet is less. It did not go, but it has gone way less than when I had them. These provide me with much needed potassium, helping my severely aching body while extracting liters of fluid I accumulated. Use weekly. Continue purchasing works very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.